The moon and the pilot, a match made in heaven. She hoped and waited that he'll be back soon. The bravest man for the fairest maiden, for he was the pilot and she was the moon. Shine, my moon, your face made of light. Let down your hair, black is the night. Strangers in uniform came to the village. The men who could fight were away at the war. By order of Stalin, the children and women were shoved into rail cars, and home was no more. Shine, my moon, your face made of light. Let down your hair, black is the night. The pilot's wife hid all her jewels, exchanged them in exile for food and for fur. In the darkest of nights, she guided her children like the moon shining through deportation and war. Shine, my moon, your face made of light. Let down your hair, black is the night. She awaited in vain the return of her pilot, gave herself to her children, gave them hope, gave them life. The fairest woman, the bravest mother, she was simply the moon and a pilot's wife. Shine, my moon, your face made of light. Let down